Peep the technique.
After loading a source into the scene panel, you can link it to a layer by clicking the corresponding button. This action will display the source's video content on the layer. To unlink the source from the layer, simply click the button again. You can link a source to several layers simultaneously. Once a source is linked to a layer, you gain control over the layer using the Layer Controls panel, which consists of 3 tabs. Position. This tab allows you to adjust the layer's position in the scene, with options for X and Y position, zoom, and rotation. Layer Controls. Here, you can manage opacity and choose a blend mode for the layer. Keying Controls. This tab provides settings for chroma key and luma key. You can easily reorder layers on the stack by drag and dropping them. To add a new layer to the mixer panel, click the Add Layer button. Each layer has its own FX rack. Click on the Layer FX tab to access the FX rack, where you'll find tabs corresponding to each layer. These tabs and layers are linked. When you select a layer in the mixer panel, the corresponding tab will be selected in the FX rack, and vice versa. To add FX to a layer, follow these steps. Select a layer. Go to the FX browser. Double-click an FX from the list to add it to the layer. You can also click the Random button to add a random FX to the layer. To add FX to the output, follow similar steps. Select the Output tab in the FX panel. Perform the same actions as before to add FX to the output.